Aren't you tired of the same age-old manual record-keeping practices? There are several limitations of traditional data collection and logbooks. Over the years, despite the significant transformation of manufacturing processes, the quality checks have remained relatively unchanged. Employees and inspectors are still seen navigating the sites with pen and paper, manual entries, conducting inspections, capturing issues, managing tasks, and striving to communicate clearly. Quality, safety, and compliance. All of it is at risk when we work with the traditional approach. Some of the most common challenges you might be facing could be no real-time visibility, data retrieval, data tampering, time-consuming approvals, data analysis, cost and storage problems. Digitize your manufacturing records to improve quality, compliance, and safety. eChecklist by eCubix is a new-age quality management platform aiming to bring about a digital revolution to age-old record-keeping practices. Say goodbye to paper-based records and say hello to digital records. By digitizing your manufacturing records, eChecklist helps you improve the quality of your products, ensure compliance with regulations, and enforce safety across your operations. Identify and solve problems in real time. eChecklist improves operations with real-time visibility and instant issue resolution through alarms and notifications. Configurable workflow. eChecklist empowers full customization and control over validation and approval processes, from form creation to execution. Environment-friendly. eChecklist is an environment-friendly solution as it reduces the carbon footprint, bringing you a step closer to your sustainability goals. Analyze data, crunch numbers, optimize productions. eChecklist provides robust reporting and analytics for data-driven insights. Create an audit-ready environment. eChecklist simplifies audits through centralized record storage, customizable checklists, and efficient data retrieval. Digitize your record with eChecklist and bid farewell to the hassles of traditional practices. Get on board with eChecklist by eCubix today and give your company the competitive advantage it deserves.